YouTube, I got another Nike by You customized shoe in for you today. I don't think I said that right. I don't know how I feel about the shoe, honestly. I've already opened it out the box and there's a few things I really like about it and I'm like proud of myself for. And then there's some parts where I'm like, man, what were you thinking? I don't know, I just want to get your guys' take on it because I don't know, maybe it really is garbage or maybe you like it, but I'm just kind of curious what you guys think of this colorway. And bam, the Breezy Kicks Air Force One. I look at it and I'm kind of like, oh, that looks dope. I really like the materials. I'm not too hyped on it. Obviously, I made it myself. I thought I'd be super ecstatic, like, oh, it's gonna look awesome. Take it out the box, be super proud of myself. And Nike could have easily done this, honestly. Nike does some pretty stuff, so I could see Nike doing this. But yeah, let's take a closer look at this colorway. So what I decided to do was take the outer lays and put this suede material on them, and I went all tan, so running along the front, the toe box, as well as the heel, and running along your laces. So I went with that tan color. Like I said, the suede material, not the best suede, but the quality really isn't that bad. It's still suede, so it's nice. Then I also threw suede on the Nike swoosh, but decided to go with a different color of brown, so just a bit darker, and I did end up matching the laces with the Nike swoosh. Then on this Nike swoosh, you can see the PENDLETON branding. I really like that tag on the shoe. Now, the part I think I don't like is this wool-like material on the underlays and on the tongue. Honestly, you didn't really have that many color options for this wool material. And honestly, I was kind of bummed out about it while I was making the custom because I wanted to go with a like solid black color or a solid brown. So this was like the best looking one. And as you can see, like up close, there's a bunch of different colors running through this wool fabric material, you know, giving it a greenish charcoal type look, as well as up on the tongue. And with that, it automatically had this green, which I think that's what I don't like, to be honest with you. Having this green versus like say black or tan, I think really makes the shoe just like look really random. I just gotta be honest, like if I didn't create this, I probably wouldn't buy it. So when I made it and looked at pictures, it looked really dope. It looks a little different in person, so I don't think I did that bad on this colorway. I think it could have been a lot better, but overall, I'm not that mad. Now, I do think these shoes look way different in hand versus on foot. So with that being said, let's look at these bad boys on feet.
Deal with all the same things. My homie so hard-headed. Some of them like the gang bang, but that's just how it is. We all gotta maintain. See the dead or in jail, and that's the goddamn shame. There ain't no in between. You gotta pick a side, cause if it's a war in hand, you can't be switching sides. We all got a role to play, and you better play it wise. When you on the battlefield, gotta watch out for landmines. You dig?
Let me know what you guys think of this shoe. Do you like the colorway? Did I do a good job, or did I completely ruin it, take an L? Let me know all that good stuff. Again, if you are new to the channel, make sure you subscribe. Hit that like button if you like the content. Follow me on Instagram at breezy_kicks23. That being said, it's your boy Breezy Kicks. We out. Him. Bam. Look.
I don't trust no one but a God that we trust, nigga. If we getting rated, everything is getting flushed. I done had 12 do that shit more than once, nigga. If I gotta go and make a move, best believe it's getting done. Best believe it's getting done. Best believe it's getting done. I don't trust no one but a God that we trust, nigga. If we getting rated, everything is getting flushed. I done had 12 do that shit more than once.